How was our communication in the transaction process?
Really good. Explained everything that when I filled out forms, answered any questions. Yeah.
And how clear was our process, and did we do what we said that we could?
Absolutely. Very good.
Were there any points or times where you felt confused, or was everything pretty straightforward and easy?
Well, it was kind of overwhelming, but yeah, you walked me through everything and answered all my questions.
How respectful, kind, and helpful were our company representatives?
10. 1 out of 10. 10.
You say 10? Okay, cool. 10 out of 10. Awesome.
Yeah.
How would you say our level of service was?
Highest. 10.
And were there any parts of the experience that were negative at all?
No.
Were there any parts that you felt like were extraordinary or that you loved or were really great?
Everybody answered the call, called back with answers to my questions. They were just on top of everything. I never thought that they were, forgetting to call me back or talking to people I needed to talk to. They were just always very thorough in calling back and answering any questions.
And lastly, is there anything that you wish we could have done differently?
Not really, no. Can't think of anything.